There it is. We are going to finish up working on our primary colors this week. So for our first project of the week, we are going to be making some flowers. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need 3 coffee filters, round ones. If you don't have any coffee filters at home, you can just use plain white paper. It's not going to work as well, but it will still work pretty well. So what we're going to do is you're going to take washable markers. Those are usually your regular Crayola markers. So you can use anything but permanent markers. And I'd like you to start in the middle and make lines going all the way out to the edge of your coffee filter or your circle piece of paper that you might have. Make them all around. You can make them pretty close together. I'm not making it super neat, but I want to try to fill most of the coffee filter with yellow. Now, one of our color combinations is yellow and red, which will make orange. So when you have those two colors together, you want to make sure you're using a lot of the light color, which is yellow in this case, and just a little bit of the darker color, which is red. So next thing you'll do is you'll start in the center and maybe make 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe lines going out towards the edge of your circle, just like we did with the yellow, but you're not going to do quite so many. Next step, once you have that done, is you can take, I have a little spray bottle here, it just has water in it, or you could just drop some water on it with your fingers, that's fine, you could just drip it on there. When I squirt mine, the colors will start mixing together. It's going to be quite wet right now. And you can see the pink coming through there because of my paper. But you'll be able to see the orange coming through. I'm not sure if you could see that very well. As I'm lifting it up, it's kind of dripping off of there. But you'll see that our coffee filter will have a pretty orange color to it. Okay? So I would like you to repeat that with yellow and blue. So you're going to put the yellow on first, have lots of yellow on that paper coffee filter with just a little bit of blue, and then do the same thing with red and blue. Now for that one, red and blue are pretty similar, so what you want to do is put more red and less blue because the blue is darker. Now you're going to take your coffee filters and let them dry. Once they're totally dry, I'd like you to make a little flower garden. So you're going to take your coffee filter and kind of crunch it up in the middle just like that. Put a little bit of glue on your paper and glue your flower on just like that. And you can draw a stem, and you can do that for all 3 of your flowers. Some leaves. You want to have a ground line. That means the line where the ground meets the sky. So I'm going to pretend I have my other coffee filters done over here. I can make them different heights. Maybe I want to add some clouds in the sky. I could color my sky blue if I wanted to afterwards. Maybe I can make a little butterfly floating around. You can add any other little details that you would like to your flower garden scene. And then I'd like you to color it all in and take a picture of it and submit it in Google Classroom so I could see your beautiful flower garden made from primary colors. Have fun!